Hello everyone, welcome lo another video with me, Velani Jacob. All time me come lo Precam Silence, talk about finance. And today me one another video back again, me put them out. Tell them thank you lo you've always stop join them yumi lo Facebook, or you've always join me lo YouTube. Thank you lo you've stop viewing more videos me. Thank you lo follows lo Facebook, more thank you Thomas too lo all subscriptions. You've always subscribed lo YouTube channel. Thank you Thomas. We've less of a stop continuously Folem page, Folem YouTube channel. More support them all work with Mr. Megan. Today you may come lo talk about one topic. There's somebody may ask you one question. I got one little followers lo Facebook. Me ask you one question, which me look say important. Me come answer them lo one video also. From suppose anyone where me got same question where me no ask him, but at least you have a look lo for them video where me make him today. Me tell thank you live la waste to watch, suppose you to watch all about lo Vanuatu no mo any islands lo Vanuatu Torres Kasemanaichu mo suppose you stop lo wanarvala country also Australia, New Zealand, Solomon Islands, Papua New Guinea, Fiji, mo any narla Pacific Island countries, mo used to watch me when they welcome you to lo video bli me today. So I also be Mr. Talamalta, you must promote them financial literacy and suppose you used to watch some little video mo you know clear lo some talk where you Mr. Yusum, please you let them me save break them down, blame me clear. Me want them purpose blow all video blame me use all simple talk enough blame me all easy talk where you me save understand them you save understand them break them down all talk where you stop use you think say hard to mas you save break them down blame me understand them something to do with them financial literacy. Tete mi kan blo pa yilukan tapia pa mi putum question blo friend blo yumia and blo plesia hemi ask him one very hemi ask him one good question where hemi ask him say hemi haram sometime Mr. Yusum talk ya credit Mr. refer him lo something where Mr. Yusum talk ya credit with them debt after you want them blo me clear him say blo me clear him kuta me clear him kutuvla okay so me clear him tuvla talk ya me define him tuvla finish after me clear him blo you me understand him so sometime by you me Yusum by you me think say emi semak emi English talk way sometime by you sometimes you use me think say emi semak lo narawan be emi meaning different something credit emi time where you go you one service provider also by me tell them say one man emi offer him service plan lo you finish or product plan lo you finish be you no pay me ta by me tell bislama say count credit emi count time where you go karam or tissue lo Pacific suppliers or you go karam maybe one signage blo COVID-19 signages blo you blo office blo sign blo COVID-19 or sticker with them or something or you make them lo design impacts you go karam all something or signage but you no pay me yet emi count ba imta lo bislama se emi count credit emi all something ose mena emi count you karam all something lo store you karam all something lo store be you know pay me yet you know pay me yet so emi all something where you me call them say emi all credit you karam something lo credit okay you karam be you know pay me yet but you just pay them after emi credit debt emi time where you owe money lo somebody bank loan hemi debt play you from you karam money lol keta you go one small for one money lending you borrow money lol keta hemi debt you karam money you borrow money so debt hemi you karam money you owe him somebody money credit hemi you owe him somebody you owe him one business law or something where you karam finish pay you no pay me yet okay so one I need to do with them all services with them all services or all items where you can't finish, I credit. Another one have to do with the money. You go borrow money someplace. So bank loans, or small or microcredit where you cut there or you owe money, you count low money. Now we call them say heavy debt. Okay, so me hope say me clear lo place ya. I got one more definition below credit. You got one more definition below credit. Suppose you wanna where you start watch you an accounting student, I think by you save relate you save haram save one ba mitalem but suppose you where you know take accounting by you start haram tok ya lista talem hemi minimal sem now. So credit one more narvla explanation blem hemi time say by sometime by you so suppose you got one bank account but you haram ba li talem say suppose you ring in bank you after but you haram no mo say tell I tell say oh me like credit him money lo account blue finish save credit him money lo account blue finish me minim say only put him in money go inside lo account blue so credit me sometime where you add them in money kolo and something you add them in money kolo so say one bank account you credit him account minim say you put the money go inside the bank account. Salary blue credited finish go inside the account blue. Meaning so you put the salary go inside finish the account blue. Okay, so I mean narvla explanation block credit. You put one sani go la account blue. Nara opposite block credit. Hemi debit. Debit hemi no semak lo debt. Debt hemi ka DEBT. Also we just talk about that. Debt hemi money you count lo money lo somebody. Debit hemi time only karamount money lo one account blue. Right? Money only karamount. It deduct. It come out. It withdraw. You withdraw amount money. Credit you deposit money go inside. Debit DEBIT you withdraw amount money lo account. By your remember one bank officer by says saya me like debit in account blue finish or by so you want them say okay me want them say but you like transfer them one money lo account blue mia equal account blue after you tell them account number by your remember officer bank officer or teller by tell you see you want them you meet debit in account blue you and you see you want them like karamount money lo account blue you so debit hemi karamount, credit hemi putumin. Ni save explain me simple ol semeblo, you save understand ma. So it got two different something by it confusing little bit so you mix him say deposit after you say deposit hemi semaklo debit no deposit hemi no sem deposit hemi credit. Tali deposit him kolo account blue hemi credit. Tamul karamount la account blue emi debit. Okay? Debit emi withdraw, deposit emi credit, you put me go inside. Deposit him kola account blue. Okay, so me want to come clear hemia and me hope me answer them question blo follow up me where hemi ask him question he come. Me stop full of time is to explain them all something. Me really want them to explain them all simple talk. Suppose from finance with them finance you got some talk where finance and accounting you got some talk where hemi sometimes by me satale me things say me so get used to Mr. Tok ale Mr. Tale sam tok we me think say so me get used plus tale all kind tok all same all kind tok lo English all same sometimes by by you were used to listen by you come hard to say okay sometimes you need plus have say one me so suppose sometimes Mr. Talem some Mr. Story no some no video blumi mo you have some tok we Mr. Talem me no clear you let me save so that you me save break them down good you me save from your so say me talk lo one language where you me from me understand them but you me save flow good and all time me stop tell them say team blue yumi all time we yumi stop on them promote them hemi blue break em silence mo talk about finance mo yumi satran blue promote them financial literacy blue every man only save whoever we jump in lo page for me start lo same page for me stop same language when me stop usum blo me explain them all something so thank you lo follower we hemi save ask him questionnaire blo you me clear them and me encourage you we start watch post something where you know clear them please you come forward blo tell them blo you me save clear them blo make say you me from you me start lo one language mo you me save one you me start talk about. Okay, so thank you back again lo you've everyone we start watch suppose me hope me explain me clear me hope lo look all feedback lo comment suppose something me explain me no clear please put them lo comment section me Mr. make him Mr. come out live lo stop talk about all terms with them all something to do with them financial literacy I mean just out of passion blo mi no mo out lo voluntarily give him no more come blo you me save something some terms some talk to do with them money or something we save help him you me. Okay, so thank you you've always to watch suppose you got any questions or comments or feedback please put them down in the comment section below. Thank you back again you where you know subscribe is to watch through the YouTube more you know subscribe it the YouTube channel please subscribe more click the one notification bell yeah blow me giving you all updates then you must come out live lo YouTube more you where you stop watch through the Facebook no hesitate blow follow page me got more discussion also me come out lo page me more by you get updated lo all discussions where is come out all videos where is come out. Thank you back again more by me kasem you lo one time tata everyone.